Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Happy Tuesday morning. Sorry for the light. My ring of light is another room. We needed to record a video, so it's kind of dark right now. So I do apologize. Not the best lighting. No, not lightning. Lighting. The Frenchie's having a hard time this morning. So good morning, everyone. Hopefully everybody's doing great. Welcome for the new people. Welcome back for followers. Happy to see you here this morning. And yes, I am a 15 minute earlier, and this is also why you need to activate notification because these days I don't have a specific time. I don't have a specific schedule, so make sure to activate notification. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, activate notification, and push that like button. Okay, so let's see here. We got Paul right here. Good morning, Paul. Good morning. Um, so let's get going here. Oh, I just realized that this is not the right mic that's connected. So sound must be terrible right now. Give me one sec, guys. Um, yes, hold on. Let me change this. There we go. One, two, test check. Can you guys hear me now? Can you hear? Is it better now? I do apologize. Must be better now. Um, okay, so let's get going. Let's get going, baby. Okay, so let's see. Let's talk about this scalp from yesterday. Yesterday was pretty simple. I know some of you sent me a text, and I know many of you is going to be watching the replay, and that's okay. Um, but because some of you that sent me a question, who was it? Um, Hold on, wait a second. Actually, Calson Robin, congrats. You actually find out. You found out the trade setup, so that's good. Was it Fabian? Fabian or James? So yes, it was the H4 dogtail setup. Really simple. This is probably the simplest trade setup ever. Basically, this was the beginning of the one at 9. Yeah. So exactly what happened here is we waited for this candle to close. And once we passed the low here, boom, this is where I entered at 3 position. If you want to see where I did exit, you can check my story on Instagram. You'll see. And it went pretty well. So this trade setup, it's always a scalp. I'm not looking for looking to hold that trade setup. I'm there to catch like between 15 to 30 ish pips, and actually one of the my third position I actually catched 35, so that's pretty good. And as you can see, after that we came back up and boom. Okay, but yeah, it's just a quick scalp here. Basically, the dogtail setup for people asking is really simple. You wait for this H4 candle to close, and the trade setup I only back tested on the 9 a.m. New York session on GJ. It can work on another pair, I'm pretty sure, but this is the only place where I use that setup, and it's been working very well. Okay, so yeah, so you basically wait for the tail to be formed on the top side, and once you break the low, boom, you take it. Okay, so pretty simple. This is probably the most like I said, can you say most simple or simplest? I don't know, but this is the probably the I wouldn't say easiest, but definitely simple as. Okay. Uh, so yeah. Um, so now let's update our charts and let's see what kind of opportunity we're gonna get for this morning or the next couple days. Okay. So first thing first, let's modify this. So this is our new lower high, and this is our new lower low. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's go check on the weekly first. Guys, do you remember a couple, I think it was like 2, 3 weeks ago, when we passed this area, I said, listen, I don't want to buy GG here because we are at the top, or maybe it was here. And he actually came actually further, and it's good. But
I'm not the kind of guy who's gonna try to be the hero and buy like here. Yeah, thankfully for you guys, if you tried that now, it did work. But most of the time, it will hit this and come back down. Um, so it's very risky. So you want to put the odds on in your favor. So now, since we passed this, I've been telling people that we are overdue for a pullback on GJ. Okay, and this is exactly what we're gonna get. And this is a big chance we're gonna do this or this. One or the two. Okay, because if we go to check the left here, we got a further whoop here, boom. Okay, we got a weekly area of interest right here, and don't forget we can also reject one of the QPs. One of the major QPs. This one is like actually in confluence with the 176 major QP that we can put. Hold on, let's put this here, here. Here we go. We can put major QP right here. Setting, put zeros. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, so that would be pretty good. Let's go check out on the daily time frame. Daily time frame is now finally bearish. So the time frame on the time frame, sorry, the daily is now bearish. Okay, and yeah, we're gonna go like this, boom. Okay, so it's something like that. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour is now bearish. Also, we just identify our new lower high and our lower low. Let's actually update our line here. So this didn't change, but on the daily now, on the daily, actually we're not bearish on the daily yet. Sorry guys, my bad. Because this is not an elbow, but this is definitely the higher high. So once we're going to be breaking this area here, we're going to be bearish. Okay, so we're still bullish at the moment. Okay, so now let's see. Do we have any scalp opportunity here? Let's see. And I do apologize about the light, guys. My ring of light is in the other room. We did record a video for something else, and I didn't have time to put it back in place. Hey guys, as you come in, don't forget to say hi. Don't forget to smash that like button. Okay, really important. Okay, so now let's see. Now we are at the lower low. Can we sell here? Let's say we want to scalp. Do you want to sell at a lower low? No. The answer is hell no. Okay. If it was like a dogtail setup and quick scalp, yeah, maybe, breaking the low here, but no, here there's no chance. Let's go check out on the lower time frame. So here on the 30-minute, Effie. Yeah, no, I don't like this. I really don't like this. If it would be like something like this, and boom, okay, fine. But now we're just like playing games at that level. Like, look at this here. I mean, we're playing games in here, so not interested. Okay, so let's move on. Let's go check out NZD CAD. Okay, let's take a look at the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame on NZD CAD is bullish, and guys, if you remember, I've been talking about this pair for like since March, I think. Since March, I'm talking about that pair. I'm sure if you go back in the replay in a couple live session, you'll see me talking about NZD CAD for so long. Okay, for so long. I've been waiting for this, and I keep repeating, people. I know you think the weekly is bearish and maybe you can take it down, to this area, but I'll be waiting to hit this area, to go back up, dude. I swear to God, if you go back on the live session, and if somebody can go back and find me the first time I actually talked about that one, I'm sure it's a while back ago. And I keep talking about that one a couple of times. But I said it wasn't ready. And I was waiting to hit this area. It's a major QP right here. It's a weekly area of interest inside a weekly golden zone. what the hell you want more than this? This is juicy. So this, yo, I've been waiting for this setup for like so long. And now, finally, if you look, the weekly was bearish. I mean, it was always bullish. Okay, the weekly was always bullish, but here we finally broke this high, right? It doesn't change anything because the weekly was bullish, but it just indicate like we finally might be ready. But if you look now on the daily is the good indication here. Okay, so the daily was bearish. Okay, so here we were bearish. Okay, and once we broke above here, close above this high here, now the daily flipped bullish. Okay, so this is the indication that now this move to the downside is done. I mean, there's a big chance, big probability that the move is done now to the downside. So now we're ready to go back up. So now what I'm waiting is basically a pullback on the daily to go back up. Okay, so mainly this is what I'm expecting: price to come down here, which can be retesting this structure, and to go back up. I'm actually going to watch also this area. Actually, let me place another alert here, because this area might be rejected also. Why didn't place my alert here? Alert. There we go. And let's check our fib now, just to give us an idea. You see, this is inside the daily golden zone right here, you know? So that's pretty good. Why is my second alert keep on disappearing? What's going on here? Why it's not working? That's so weird. Okay, so actually I'm gonna place this one there then. F you. What's going on here? So weird. And after that, once it hit, I'll go move it down. Just I want to keep track of it. So now, if you take a look at the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour is now 4 hour is now bearish. Okay. Yeah. So actually, wait a second. Did we close above here? Ooh. Okay. 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 So this was the exact line we find. Okay, we actually broke above here. So this now became bullish. And all right, look here. We almost this one almost closed under. So once this is done, it's gonna go back bearish. Okay. But not gonna lie, it kind of looked like the infamous shampoo pattern. So yeah, once we're gonna be breaking this area, we should come down. But which is a reversal pattern. So good sign that we're gonna have our pullback if we do close under. But yeah, so this trade setup looks freaking fire. Like yo, this one, if anyone can find out when I actually talked about that pair, when I was saying, yeah, guys, don't freak out. Yes, it's not bearish, it's still bullish, we need to go there. I remember I talked about that pair a couple of times. So if you guys can find it, might have like t-shirt, hoodie, cap or something that left around. I'm looking in my box. There's some gift there that I can find for you. Okay. Okay, so let's see now. So basically, just got to be patient here. Just waiting for the pullback, which is also gonna be like also the bottom of the wick of that weekly candle. Yeah, we got the doji here, doji rejection, pretty good. Actually, now this line needs to go here. Perfect. Okay, so GCAD, man, GCAD was such a win last week that and it's pretty clean right now, pretty clean for a continuation to the upside. So this is the weekly time frame. We are definitely bullish. Yeah, definitely bullish. This is our new higher high. This one is not closed yet, so we cannot put it there yet. On the daily, this is our new high high. So right now, I mean, I cannot buy, I cannot sell. There's nothing I can do. I want to see price coming down to this area to continue to the upside for continuation. Okay, so it's pretty clean. 4 hour is definitely bullish. So let's update that. This is our new higher high on 4 hour, and this is our new high low. Perfect. And this is the trade that we won last week. No, actually, this one I got wicked out. Yeah, this one was terrible. Oh shit, I still have nightmares on that one. Look at this. Got wicked out by spread, and boom, straight to TP. Woo, 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 woo. That one hurted bad. Let me tell you guys. Yeah, that one was brutal. Um, doesn't matter. The trade idea was there, and this is the most important thing. Okay, so GCAD again, we got to be patient. We need to pull back, but this is going to be super clean. Let's take a look. Euro USD here. Wait for lower high potential on H4 and get to area of interest on the daily. Okay, so let's take a look here. I kind of like myself when I wrote notes. It helped me a lot. Okay, so definitely the weekly is bullish here. Okay, so anything between those blue lines is bullish. Anything else is just market structure. Right now, we kind of tapped this resistance and we rejected it. So let's see now on the daily. Daily is bullish. We're gonna update this. This is our new higher high, and yeah, so we just need a pullback here. So this is a nice daily area of interest. If you look here, we got support, resistance. If you go to the left, we got support, resistance, resistance again, resistance again. So pretty strong level here. If we go check here, do we have anything else? Yeah, this one's also good too. Actually, we have two nice area here. So the thing is, I can also identify this one, but that would be not a pullback. That would be like, geez, that's a small pullback. I really don't like that. But if we do this here, we got resistance, we got support, support, support. No, let's extend that here. We got a resistance there. Yeah, pretty valid area. Okay, so actually, let's start with this one here and see if we can have any rejection there. Now, if you look on the 4 hour, let's update this. This is our new high high. This is our new high low. And let's move this here. There we go. Okay, makes sense. Let's take a look at our fib for fun. Here. Okay, so the safety net is right there, this area. Golden zone is right here, which is going to be also retesting previous resistance. Okay, interesting. Let's keep an eye on it. Actually, let's put something here. I'm gonna change that for higher low potential on H4 and entering H4 GZ, which is golden zone. Okay. Guys, if you have any question, let me know. Don't be shy. Okay, don't be shy. The goal of this stream is to help at least one person today. Okay, so if I can help one person, if I can make the market more clear for you, easier to understand for you, I did my job. So I'm not here for clouds or tap in the back or saying, "Oh, you're so good," or I don't give a shit about that. I'm not there for like thousands likes. I'm just there to spread the word and helping you guys. Okay. So use the chat if you have any question or review. You want to review some charts. Okay. So now let's go to Euro GBP. Okay. So let's go take a look at it. So let's go take a look here at the weekly. Man, oh no, the weekly is kind of gone. Uh-oh. I was honestly waiting for something like this to continue down, but look like god damn. Yeah, we kind of finally flipped bearish, but this candle's just fucking gone. Okay, so now here's the plan. Okay, let's go back to the weekly. So the weekly is bearish. Okay, still let's, what was that? Uh yeah, look like this not gonna happen. Let's remove this. Okay. Yeah, look like this is not gonna happen. But we got the retest of the previous weekly area of interest right here. So now if you look at the daily is also bearish. Okay, daily is also bearish. This is our new candle, so this is why this is still there. So now how can we enter this trade if we want? Okay, because now right now this was bullish and you need to wait for the H4 to go bearish, right? Most of the time, for a full swing trade. Of course, if you have the weekly and the daily bearish, you can act on a smaller time frame and go for maybe a day trade. That's not a problem. So now what I would check here is this. So I want to see something coming back up here, you know, coming retest to go down, which is also going to be the lower high potential. Okay, because right now, no FOMO, no nothing. I don't want to be jumping in this, because we might be at the lower low on a 4 hour time frame. I don't want to be there. I want to sell like up here, to have a better RR. So this doesn't make sense when people try to sell in here when this is melting. It's just like good luck, because there's a good chance it reject at one point. Okay, and if we look to the left here, what we got looks like it's very clean though. Damn, there's nothing. Dude, we're back in 2022. Okay, so we finally August 2022. We're clean, 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 clean traffic. Okay, so this should continue, no problem, but we're expecting a pullback. Okay, so definitely gonna place an alert here. Uh, Why I cannot place alerts? What the fuck is going on with my trading view? What? I don't know. There's a bug there. Okay, whatever. Did I have another one here? No. Okay, whatever. Okay, so basically gonna be waiting for this. So let me mark it down here. Boom, boom. So later on, I'm gonna close my trading view and go add on some alerts. Yeah. So this is Euro GPP. Let's get let's take a look at the 30-minute. Let's see if we can find an entry on the 30-minute time frame. So here, this is for learning purposes. Okay, so this was our high high. This was our high low. And if you look here, let's see. Actually, the higher low is right here, right? We went like this, this, and after that, okay, and up there. Okay, cool. So once we finally, yeah, oh, wow, super, super clean. Okay, look at this. So anything between those two blue lines is just like bullish structure, right? Who cares? Who cares what happened? Once we break under this line, we come back, retest it, and close with a nice engulfing candle. Damn, let's go. But the only tricky thing though is you were like right at this area, so can be risky, but this area was done to know like where's the area of interest. So it can be tricky, but with this nice engulfing candle, it would be better. All honesty, like it would be better if this candle would have closed like somewhere here, like actually under this minor support. It would be actually cleaner. It's a kind of setup I will go in probably with half risk, not with a full risk, but with half risk. Yeah, it can make total sense. Just for an idea, uh, this would be like yeah, kind of a 15 pip stop loss, and yeah, you can go for a 2.5 at least, or 221. It's up to you. Since you don't have three time frames in sync, you know. But look at this. I mean, it's on the way. It's good. Okay, so this was just for learning purposes. Hopefully, it can help you guys. So now let's modify our 30-minute lines though, because now we are bearish. So we're gonna put this here. We're gonna put that there, and this is gonna be 30-minute bear and 30-minute bear. There we go. Perfect. Okay, let's take a look at NZDGPY. Boom, weekly time frame. Look at this. We are right up. What the fuck happened with this? Oh, I guess we can remove. Actually, I'm not gonna remove it. I'm gonna move it around. Okay, so now right now we are at this weekly area of interest. We actually passed it a bit. So let's see. Can we have another weekly area of interest here? Looks like yeah. Well, this one is pretty solid here. Yeah, this is yeah, this is pretty solid. Because here, I mean, we got support, we got a resistance. Yeah, ish. This one is more solid. What's up? I got my dog knocking down with, yo, how you doing? My dog just entered the office. Okay, so let's move on. So here is the other area of interest. Let's mark it down. Give me one second. So I'm just gonna close my door. Okay. Also gonna have to look at if we're retesting previous structure also. So this is another area where we can have rejection. So now let's take a look at the daily. So the daily is now bearish. Are we? Where's my blue line? Where is my blue line? What the fuck? Oh, right here. Okay. Perfect. So we need this daily candle to be closed. Okay. So as right now, we are still, if you look, we are still bullish at the moment. Hold on. Just want to make sure. So this was right here. No, we actually closed under. Okay. So this is now bearish. So daily lower low, and this is daily lower high. Perfect. Okay, so now the daily is now bearish. Sweet. Sweet. So it looks like we're coming down for that retest. 4 hour is, man, where's this line? There we go. I hate when the line is like right in that rectangle because it's hard to move. Okay. So now 4 is right here. Lower low, this is not an elbow. So, okay, perfect. Okay, so for NZD/GPY, the plan will be really simple. It's like once we hit this area, like we are right now, we're waiting for daily rejection, or in this area, we want to see a daily rejection. Okay, but as right now, nothing. So this is a plan for the next couple of days. AUD/GPY. Okay, let's take a look. Weekly. Weekly is definitely bearish. We're setting up bullish. Sorry. So weekly is bullish, and we're coming down to this daily area of interest. We're gonna go take a look on the daily. So look at this, beautiful. The daily is now still. Where's this blue line again? Where's my blue line? Oh, right here. Okay. Damn. Yeah, we're still bullish. So there's a lot of people who's gonna think like now, okay, man, we passed this low, so now we're bearish. No, look, anything between those two lines is just bullish structure. Okay, so this is just a pullback. Okay, so now we're getting to this second area of interest, which is a daily area of interest, where we go on the left, we got resistance, resistance, we got support, support, support here. So pretty good area of interest right here. So now we're getting there. So this is pretty good. This setup is very interesting. So now let's update this chart. So this is our new lower low. This is our new high low. And this is where the 4 hour is going to go back bullish. Okay. So this is what I'm waiting for. Because the weekly and the daily is already bullish. So now I'm just waiting for the 4 hour to flip bullish. So this bear is going to happen first. So I'm going to put ADGPY on top here. Okay, it's interesting. NZD do we do? Yeah, we just did it. Okay, perfect, excellent. USD CAD is just like tomorrow. We got BUC rates. We got CPI. So USD CAD, not touching this for sure today or tomorrow. So let's put it down. GU. This was our good win last week. Very good win. Two position, so that was good. Now weekly, if you look, weekly is still bullish. It's good. We got the daily bullish, and this is our new higher high. So now we need the pullback. So I want to see the pullback on the daily. You know, something like either to retest this or to retest this here, which if we go to the left, we'll find area of interest, I'm sure, and to go back up. So this is not close to be ready. So that's why it's not in green, but this is something I'm going to be watching. Euro GPY. I'm going faster because this is not close to happen. But let's talk about it. Euro GPY is actually might be, it's not bad. I'm actually going to put it up here. It's gonna happen faster than GU for sure. If you look here, we got a weekly bullish. Actually, this needs to be here. Here we go. So we got the weekly bullish. Daily is bearish. And this is our new lower low officially. We had the double top here. Yeah, so we're definitely bearish here on the daily. So weekly bullish, daily bearish, and 4 hour bearish. And this is our new lower low. Of course, I mean, if you get a pullback here, yeah, you can take a day trade. You got the daily 4 hour bullish. You can act on the 30 minute if you want. Something that it's possible, but I'm looking at the bigger picture here. GN is just like skyrocketing. You need to wait. Yeah, just wait. Euro AUD, not interested. USD CHF is kind of gone. Missed that trade. But if we get a retest, though, it can be nice. But not gonna happen today. 80 USD, kind of ugly right now. Actually, yeah, I was waiting for this for a long time. Daily, fine, rejected here. We're bullish. Okay, wait a second. Weekly bullish, daily bullish. Because, I mean, hold on. Yeah, daily's bullish. 4 hour. Man, I've been talking about AUD for a while. And the 4 hours bearish. Okay, this is why. This is the alert I'm waiting for. Yeah. Once we're gonna flip this, now I'm gonna be looking at this pair. Actually, this is not bad. USD CAD. I don't want to do any like any USD pair, like even a USD. Even if it happened today, I'm not touching it because tomorrow is gonna be wild. Like CPI, any like USD pair, I'm not touching it until like tomorrow after CPI. Because last time it just got wicked out. It just pissed me off so bad. And CAD as having BOC rates, so I don't know. So CAD and USD, I don't know, kind of iffy. Let's see the other one, USD GPY. No, GA. Man, G used to be one of my favorite pair. Whoa, jeez, what's going on here? Okay, it's been a while. I didn't update this chart, so let's do this here. Let's do weekly higher low bull, weekly higher high. There we go. The daily is oh, I don't think you have any marking. So let's do it. Daily bullish, daily high low, and right now this is our higher high. Perfect. Okay, excellent. But right now we're just pushing up. So now that we got and the 4 hour, let's see, 4 hour, 4 hour is higher high, and boom, higher low. Perfect. So now if I go back to the weekly, I mean now right now it just doesn't make sense to identify any zone because when we're past our high, there's so I mean this thing is just not even close to be ready. CAD GPY, what's going on here? Okay, okay. Look like we're having now a pullback. So now we are bearish here. Daily lower low. Daily high low. Perfect. And we're past this area, so now no identification. We can identify the weekly area of interest though, which is kind of right here, which makes sense. We got a support there. Hold on. Here we got one support. Let's go to the left. Let's see. We got a resistance here. Oh, we are far now. 2009. God damn. Yeah, this area is pretty good. Okay. And let's see our fib, just to give us an idea. Right here. And this is also in confluence with the golden zone, which is good. Jeez. I love this. I love when this happened. It just added confluence, just stronger. So actually, can I now use an alert, please? Why? What the fuck? Whatever. So cat GPY. I'm gonna move it up. Let's talk about gold for a second. Let's see. Let's talk about gold, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's take a look at the daily here. Man, oh man. I actually put this. I put this. When was it? It was probably like around June 26th, somewhere around there. Well, actually, it was before that because it was probably here. Because once we broke actually said we're gonna come back up, retest, and continue down. But let's see now if it's still valid because we never had like a clean retest. Yeah, we got those wick retests, but look at this clean retest now. So, first let's go to the weekly. So weekly is definitely bearish. Okay, nice, 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 very nice. The daily is so daily was bullish. This is the new high low. And yeah, this one is not closed yet, but it would be our new higher high, you know. So this is cool because this is a clean retest. Once we go up here, this is our new high low, this is our new high high. So once the best thing would be for the 4 hour to continue a bit, like something like this, create a new high, and once we broke under here, retest to continue down. That would be the best, you know. If not, we need to go down here, flip bearish to continue down. That's for the swing approach. Okay, so that makes sense. If we do broke above here, now you definitely want to be looking for buys, you know. But yeah, I think it's looking good. I think it's looking good. So 8 a.m. 1 hour candle just closed bearish here. Let's take a look at scalp. Um, here nothing. Plus, I mean tomorrow huge news, right? So we might range here. I don't know. We'll see, or maybe they priced in the news, so we'll see. Um, okay, so let's go back to GJ. 1 hour close, kind of doji-ish. Yerk, that's horrible. ADGPY, nothing. Not much. Not much is happening right now. Not much is happening, guys. All right. Any question? Any pairs you guys want to take a look at? Let me know. Any pairs you guys want to look at? Let me know. Let's take a look at Solana here. Ooh, did we close above $22? Ooh. Okay. If this daily candle close above $22, I think we're good. Ooh, yo. Whoa. If we do close above this, it's gonna be good. Yeah, need to close above this resistance. Okay. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Um, let's see. I think there's a question coming up here. Real Flex, how you doing, buddy? AUDCHF. Okay, let's take a look. AUDCHF. Do you have AUDCHF? Oh yeah, here. Okay, let's take a look. What do I have marked down here? Why do I have two? Oh no. Okay, so this is the daily area of interest. Okay, so the weekly is bullish at the moment because this candle is not closed yet. Okay, but it looks like we might be flipping bearish. Okay, I was expecting a pullback here to take the trade short. The daily right now, daily was bearish. This is our new lower high, and this is our new lower low. Yeah, we kind of had the, you know, it's too bad that the price didn't go further here, but it is what it is. So now what you want is, if you look here, the 4 hour, let's update this. 4 hour, this is not an elbow, so this is our new lower low right here. Okay, so right now, if you agree, I mean, we just passed this low on the daily and the 4 hours at a lower low. So if you want to sell, you're selling at lower low. So I will definitely wait for a pullback on the 4 hour or the daily, to take it down. Okay. So something you can wait is maybe something like this. Um, this area is pretty solid. Um, Daily area of interest. So if you look here, we got support, we got resistance, we got support. That's pretty good. Or we got also this area right here. I'm sure if we go to the left, we'll find some more. Maybe not. Damn. Oh, late. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we got resistance here. Okay. So it's I don't like when it's too far like this. It's not that great of a confirmation, but um yeah. So one of the two's area to retest will be great. Like let's remove this one. And let's remove this. Actually, I'm gonna place it here. Okay. So this is where daily, let's change this. Add daily area of interest. Perfect. So you definitely want to wait for that pullback to continue down. You don't want to sell a lower low, right? So yeah, so that's something that can be interesting. Once you have a bullish candle, you can establish your fib on the 4 hour. Yeah, that's about it. But I would definitely wait right now. It's just it's like look at this area here. If you want to sell, no, not saying it cannot work, but you want to put the odds on in your favor. So hopefully that answered the question for you. Thank you, master. You're welcome, but I'm not a master. I'm just trying to help you guys. Any other pairs you guys want to take a look at, or questions? Feel free to ask. Don't be shy. What time is it now? 8:06. Let me grab this here. That was fun. Okay, sorry guys. Got distracted. Is selling GJ below 181.075 is good. GJ 181. Hold on. 181.075. Let's place a line so it's gonna be easier. 181.075. Okay, let's say like kind of right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna ask you a question. Like, what are you looking for? You're looking for scalp. You're looking for day trade, swing, and why are you looking to sell there? I'm just curious. Before I do answer, um, scalp. Okay, and what's the reason you're looking at this area? Let's put this line another color so it's not confusing. Let's put it. Let's put it green. Where's a green line? The fuck? There we go. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Wickful plus clean traffic. Wickfield. Yeah, but what I understand the Wickfield, but like why like what the fuck? Sorry guys, I'm having a problem with my trading view. Okay. Um the thing is, yes, there's a Wickfield there for sure. But if you look on the 30-minute, let's say, okay, you got this area. It all depends. Like, yes, sell is valuable. You don't want to be selling as soon as you break here. You want to see like maybe something like this, break retest to continue down. Yeah, that would make sense. But the problem is, don't forget, not the problem, but you need to know that let's say 4 hour, yeah, 4 hours bearish, so you good. 4 hour, 2 hours bearish. You got, look at this 2 hour support here, so you definitely want to see a break retest under this area. Yeah, I think that's valid. Which is, I would personally wait, this is me. I would personally wait the 181 flat number, which is the major QP right here, because this can reject pretty hard, major QP right here, 181 flat. That we all know that those numbers are very very strong, and gets a lot. Look at this wick, like pretty much on the dot. Let me do this here, coordinate. Here we go. Let's see in the past, like how this level was respect. Actually, let's go on the daily or 4 hour. Let's say. Okay, so you see all those wicks. Let's go to the left. Let's go to the left. Let's go to the left. Man, we are okay. God damn. Man, there's nothing. Okay, forget it. Forget it. There's nothing, man. We are way up there on GJ. But yeah, like I said, if you can close and break retest under this 2 hour support, would make sense. Would totally make sense. But I don't just man, look at this area. Ugh, that's disgusting. Yeah, this area has been like holding pretty strong. Yep. Yeah, so anything under it, break retest, yeah, you can get a quick scalp. Yeah, that makes sense. On my end, I'm just waiting for scalp actually 4 hour, like especially if this because yesterday I used the dogtail setup. If this 4 hour flipped bearish and closed under here, dude, I'm so using the dogtail setup on that one, but that's only 48 minutes to go, so we'll see. Um, if we go to the upside, we're gonna have to break this wick, so it might be a little high. Plus, I mean, the 4 hours bearish, so I like to use that setup in the same direction as the trend. It works great. Let's see. Your strategy of H4 dot test that works best on GJ. I never really tested the other pairs. Um, so I cannot say. I don't want to say anything stupid, but I personally only used it on GJ and back tested it on GJ. So I'm sure it can work on the other pairs. You need a pair that is volatile though, like GJ, or GAG is pretty volatile also. Gold, because it's gonna be a quick move. Like once that 4 hour candle passed that wick, bam, there's volume coming in fast in and out. But let's say you take like, yeah, I think USD GPY is a little too slow. Those slower pair, I don't think it's gonna work that great. Hopefully that makes sense. I retested on another pair and I blew my account. Yeah. Well, yeah, never. Yeah. Guys, it's really important when you test something, never test it on your account. Test it on TradingView, test it on with simulators, or use a demo account, use a demo account to test a strategy. When I test strategy, you know what I do? To actually add a little bit of real is actually buy challenge account, when I test something. So at least I got some money at risk. Let's say I got $500 at risk, or $1,000 at risk, which, it's money that if I blew, I don't really care. But it's just to add like a little something. So I have to follow my rules, and so when I do test something, sometimes I use a challenge account, but I will not test anything on my real account on my money, or maybe I'll use like a 0.001, very, very small percentage. But yeah, it's something you can also do. Personally, I love to use simulator first. I mean, trading view real time first. I do a paper trade. After that, I like to use simulators, and after that, challenge. But I will never test something on my real account. No, 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 no. Don't do that, guys. Don't do that. You guys, I mean, we all working hard for our money, so why you want to test it, You don't want to test with your real money. Definitely not. Use a demo account or use something else. Um, yeah, don't do that to yourself, man. So now let me remove this line so I don't get confused. Yeah, that's about it. Any other question, guys? Because today I am going on the road, so I might leave actually right now. If there's no other question, let's see. Don't forget. Now, don't forget, these days I'm going live on Forex Talk Over Beer on Thursday night, 6 p.m. Eastern. So make sure to tune in. We're gonna be breaking down trades ideas and lose wins. So far, no trade this actually not that's not true. Took a scalp yesterday, but didn't took any swing. Real flex last one. Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Um, but yeah, so far no swing, no day trade, only a quick scalp. That was yesterday. Last week took two trades. So yeah, I've been, being pretty patient lately. Working the patient. Let's see here. Selling gold below 1935.06. Same question as before. So, what are you looking for? Scalp, day trade, swing, and after 30-minute close, let's take a look. We say 1935, and we're looking at a scalp. Okay, 1935, 1935.06. Yeah, under the support. Yeah. Yeah, and if it does close sorry, under, you want to wait for that. I would personally use the dovetail setup on that 30-minute for execution, because that's going to be also under that 15-minute support, which is good. We are at the area where I identify break retest on the bigger picture, So this is something I identify once this candle actually broke here. I'm sure if you go back on the live session, you'll see me talking about it around like June 21st or June 22nd. One of those 3 days actually said we're gonna come down here, we're gonna come retest, and we're gonna come back down. Okay. And I'm sure you can find it in the last previous live session. Um, so I wouldn't be surprised for actually price to come down. I'm actually waiting for a break under here for like a day trade. Um, I'm waiting for 4 hour to go bearish basically, because right now 4 hour is bullish, and you got a pretty big ass candle here. So that's the only thing, But this 4 hours about to close like in 40 minutes ish. If it does close bearish, I might use the dogtail setup on that one. Dogtail setup has been working great also on gold a couple of times. So yeah, but yeah, it's valid. Like under the support, which is also the 15-minute support. I would personally wait either for retest or dogtail setup. Plus you got the infamous shampoo pattern. Bam. Right. So like I said, same thing. You can wait for the retest of this area, which is also the retest of the neckline of the shampoo pattern, and to continue down. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, gold rejecting previous resistance, which is the daily golden zone right here. Look at this, pretty solid. Um, Yep, nice area of interest right here. Look at this. So that's why, look at this, we're rejecting pretty solid. This is the daily candle. It's not closed yet, so that's why this line is not up here yet, because it's not closed. Um, Actually, this is still like this. Yeah, this makes sense. Yeah, we didn't close above yet. So yeah, this is our high high. This is our high low. Sorry for the confusion. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I think like if 4 hour close bearish, I think it can be because we either way at this high right here, if this goes bearish, 4 hour might give you your, let's say we continue bullish. Okay, let's look at the two scenario. Let's say we're continue bullish. The 4 hour needs that pullback. Let's say if this candle close bearish, needs that pullback retest here to continue up, which might be also around the golden zone also, right? So yeah, so either way we might milk we might melt a couple of it down, and if we want to go bearish, we need this to go flip bearish. So what the fuck is going on here? Okay, guys, you better be on treads. Hopefully you're on treads. Follow me on treads. I'm gonna give away this magic key. I know it's been a couple times I said it. I'm gonna give this magic key, but now it's true. I'm actually gonna give it away. And it's not because it wasn't true. I didn't find a way to give it away, so I didn't find a way to do the raffle. So now it's really simple. I'm gonna go on Treads and give it away to one of my followers. We're gonna do the draw on Thursday night Forex Talk Over Beer at 6 p.m. Eastern during the show. So make sure to go follow me on Treads. And on Thursday, I'm actually gonna write a comment, a threads, and you're gonna have to like the comments and reply to enter the draw. Okay, very simple. So it might be a couple people, so that you have a big chance because threads is not that big yet. On my end, I think we are up to like close to 300 followers, which I have like 4,000 something on Instagram. So and 4,000 something on YouTube. So you have a big chance of winning. Like the odds are really good on Treads right now. Okay, so make sure to follow on Treads so you're gonna have a chance to win this magic key here. I'm gonna finally gonna be able to do the unboxing of the new magic key that I received probably a month ago from Magic Key as a gift, and it's not open yet. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do that uh, pretty soon. I need to set up to set it up also on my computer. So yeah, man, guys, don't forget to smash the like button as you come in. If you're watching the replay, make sure to spread the word. We are back, and I've been pretty constant now for the past couple weeks, so I'm pretty proud of myself. So GJ, what's going on? All right, cool. I don't like this shit. Ooh, that's horrible. But look like the 4 might have a pullback to the upside. Come retest here. I have a lower high potential to continue down. So we'll see. And that's about it. Boom. All right, guys. So thank you so much for being here this morning. I really appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to smash the like button, like I said. And I'll be back on Thursday night, Forex Talk Over Beer, 6 p.m. We're gonna draw this magic key to one of the follower on thread, so make sure to follow. And yeah, guys, peace out. Have a great day. Don't do anything stupid. Do not blow your account, guys. Be patient. Wait for the right setup. Okay, don't rush. Forex gonna be there tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, next decade. Okay, so relax, chill out. All right, have a great day, guys. Take care. Peace out.